Nedbank Guyana team search, finding South African soccer players between the ages of 18 and 35 to make up the Nedbank Guyana team. They will be trained by some of South Africa's best football coaches and take on the reigning Nedbank Cup champs, Orlando Pirates. Last week, we watched as our selectors eliminated 18 contestants from the group of 48. The remaining players were selected to go forward with further training and assessment in Boot Camp 30.
Well done, boys. You made it.
Better luck next time, gentlemen.
He came up with the passes and I finished. So well done, man. Well done.
It's really great. Wow. This is a wow moment. That's all I could say.
This Sunday, we watch as once again our coaches and assistant coaches pick up the pace and push the Boot Camp 30 contestants to their limits.
Over the left. Finish.
3 times.
2 times.
Show him on the camera how many goals I've scored, eh?
It's all about the technique.
Barcelona, Real Madrid, Manchester, Arsenal, those teams that can play, they are doing this every day.
Some of the players were late. Yeah, miscommunication. He's kicked on to make us seem bad. Yeah, they're scared because of competition, yeah.
Tune in to SABC1 on Sundays between 2 and 2:30 p.m. to witness South Africa's everyday people into everyday heroes.